everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing a huge kitchen reset in today's video, so I really hope you enjoy and I hope it gives you lots of motivation. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and let's jump into the cleaning.
Pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wild.
Okay, just to start, first of all, I'm giving one of my pans a good old scrub using the pink stuff. It had got absolutely caked with, I don't even know what. Tom was in charge of cooking fajitas and the bottom of the pan was black and this pan is clear. So before I pop it in the dishwasher, I'm giving it a good scrub and then I'm loading everything in the dishwasher so it can run while I tackle everything else that needed to be done in the kitchen.
Like them being pretty, honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
First job after the dishwasher is now on is I'm giving the window a good clean and the shutters. So if you're new to my channel, we're actually in the middle of having our loft converted. So in a moment when the sun isn't glaring, you will probably see scaffolding outside of the windows and the door. And yeah, look at the colour of the cloth. So everything is just black, and I clean daily. Admittedly, I don't clean the shutters daily, but every time I open them in the morning I could just see they were caked in dirt. So that is the first job. I've run a separate bowl of warm water and I'm literally just wiping over and then rinsing the cloth after every couple of like shutters up, and they look absolutely good as new.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
Next up is the hob. So this actually needed cleaning from our tea the night before. We ate quite late, so it was a bit late for me to be cleaning the kitchen, but I knew I wanted to give everything a bit of a once over in here. So I'm just doing that now, and then you'll see the doors to my right. And the scaffolding, so everything is kind of dropping down there, and you'll see in a minute when I clean the floor I have to literally drag everything from one end to the other.
Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why.
to the next job. I'm just giving the sides a good wipe over. I do this daily, so this is something that I usually do in the morning, but I just delayed it for today because I was cleaning the kitchen anyway. Again, I cannot believe the dust that's actually settled on here, but yeah, giving it all a nice clean. And I'm just using my Zoflora pre-made up multi-service spray here. I think I got this one from Home Bargains, and I really, really love the scent. It's the sweet pea one.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
Okay, so now onto the floor. So like I said, I actually had to drag everything out. So usually what I would do is I actually just lift my chairs out of the double doors and just sit them on the decking, but where the scaffolding has been positioned, if you've not seen any of my vlogs before, I will link some of my most recent ones in the description, but one of the poles is in front of the door, so it doesn't open fully, so I can just manage to get through with a washing basket, but a chair definitely is not fitting. So this is the reason why I'm literally dragging everything from one end to the other. So it made cleaning the floor slightly longer, because once I'd done this section, I then had to put everything back and then go on to the other section, but it needed doing because the dust was just so thick here on the floor, and when the sun shines, you can just see it to the eye. It was driving me nuts. So once I've hoovered, I'm then just going over it with my Shark steam mop, but actually I'm a little bit gutted because I think this mop is broken. So how I've got the pad flipped at the moment, you'll see it's kind of tucked under on itself, so that is the kind of like intense steam. So when I flip it back to its usual position, hardly anything comes out, so I think I need to invest in a new steamer. So if you've got any recommendations, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know this is the reason why I'm using it on full power. It's literally because the other side is not getting anything up off of my floor.
Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Today's clean with me. I just wanted to show you just one of the rooms I'm focusing on at a time, rather than do a huge cleaning video. So I really hope you enjoyed this style of video. Like I said, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you're not already, I hope you'll consider hitting the subscribe button, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye everyone.
No, it hurts. I can't see it in your eyes, babe, but I know you have a lot to give. I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong.